secret of the gateway.
Of the gateway. I don't know what gateway we're going down. Literally, Mum just said it for the first time ever then. I've never heard the words gateway come out of my mouth till just then.
Welcome back to the School of Wok channel. It is an absolute pleasure because I feel like we've been waiting years for this, haven't we?
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, I feel like it's the collaboration of a century. I mean, you should know who these guys are already.
Chin and Choo.
Chin and Choo.
There we
Yes.
go.
Chin and Choo. It's a real honour to have you guys. You, Chin, have been doing classes at School of Wok for a while now.
Yeah, I think 2 years.
Yeah.
And honestly, Chin's classes sell out quicker than any chef.
Stop
Like,
it,
really, yeah. Like literally within a day, Chin's classes will sell out. It's like queuing for Glastonbury.
Chinese food Glastonbury.
I almost feel like there's an expectation for us to have a bit of a wok-off. I don't think that's right. I think actually what we've got is a couple of dishes, and everyone will know you for all your different types of Chinese takeaway cooking. So you're going to do egg fried rice, right? Your style. But with that, we're going to also do a very popular Chinese takeaway dish, a crispy chili beef. But we're going to do it completely opposite style. Home style in an air fryer.
Okay.
And Auntie,
yeah.
you're going to cook the crispy chili beef with no MSG in an air fryer.
Oh, is it? Without MSG, would it brown?
Auntie, we're going to get you to do all the work.
Okay, yeah. You want it sliced or what?
Well, how would you usually cut your chili beef?
Chili beef, me?
Yeah,
We'd use top side, so we'd have a massive chunk of it.
yeah. In the
And then
takeaway, you get a massive chunk. Yeah,
And then we cut along the grain.
yeah,
So you get like logs
Yeah.
of meat.
yeah.
And then you come across.
You freeze it as well, or is that
We
just
don't
like,
freeze
you
it,
don't
but
freeze it?
a lot of places do like semi-freeze it.
Yeah.
Because it makes it
To
easier.
get
But we
to
wouldn't.
an easier slice.
Yeah.
You do what you
Okay.
think's right.
All right.
Like, there's no rules in this
Okay.
in this kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, go for it.
I
Yeah.
cut
yeah.
it into 3 sections, yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
Ours is quite thick as well, normally.
Yeah.
With your chili beef, like, what would you guys usually put in it?
So we'd probably use, for the outside, we'd
Yep.
use potato starch,
Yep.
salt, MSG,
Yep.
white pepper, probably custard powder.
Custard powder.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice.
Because
Is that for a bit of colour?
colour,
Sweetness?
sweetness without sugar,
Yeah.
so it doesn't burn.
Yeah.
And there's a bit of flavouring for like an eggy flavour to it.
Okay.
And then we'd use egg as the binder. That would be the batter.
I've just got light soy and some sugar,
What is
a
that,
little bit of sesame oil. Yeah.
Oh.
And then we'll sort of mix together we've got corn starch here, corn flour instead of potato starch. This is home style, but potato starch, corn starch, you can swap it out either way. Yeah.
Pretty much. Sauce we would use, we would make our sweet and sour from scratch.
Yep.
Then we'd add hoisin, ketchup, brown sauce, dark soy, sugar, touchable vinegar, a pinch of salt and MSG.
You know, in a restaurant or takeaway environment, you guys are buying your stuff in bulk,
Yeah.
which is very, very different to
Massively.
home, right? So,
Yes.
and also like with the sort of deep frying process, the cooking process at home, a lot of people are a little bit wary of that. You know, but I mean, I still deep fry at home, but I actually end up using the air fryer for more than I used to, for sure.
Yeah.
But there's certain like ways of using a bit of equipment like an air fryer to like still get something crispy. I found that if you overcook it,
Yeah.
you can. Yeah.
Just turn it up to the max and then it crisp. Exactly.
You just keep going. You
Yeah,
just keep cook it until it's like so overcooked that you don't know it's beef inside.
Exactly, but that's partly what you do in the deep fat fry though, to get it crispy.
Yeah.
You're trying to dehydrate it as much as you can. When we cook at home though, it's not like it's really difficult to explain to people because they go, what do you like? And we literally just make it up on the spot. It's not got a name, it's just whatever's in the fridge.
Yeah, it's what's in the fridge,
Yeah.
and then you just use your skills to
Yeah,
cook it, right?
Yeah.
Long time ago, honestly, when I just moved into the house where we live in,
Yeah.
my next door neighbor come and told me, "Oh, can you not cook that belacan? You know the."
Yeah.
And we also have the Chinese takeaway food at home as well.
So you have a bit of mix and match of both.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because I know it's designed to be quick and fast, but if it wasn't delicious, it wouldn't sell. So
No, well, it's a combination of all, isn't it? I
Exactly,
think that's why
yeah.
it's so popular.
100%.
Yeah.
Best of both worlds.
Yeah. All right, so we've got our floured
Beef stew.
beefs. Now, this is where it gets weird, okay, Auntie?
Oh, we're not using
Deep
oil,
fried
is it?
stuff
Okay.
with a dry batter in an
Yeah.
air fryer
Yeah.
is actually quite difficult. We will use oil, but
Oh,
I think
okay.
I guess the difference is that obviously when you're deep frying, we have to use a lot of oil. So what I've worked out is that if you pour a couple of tablespoons of oil around this crumb batter, that will kind of, but I don't want to like massage it too much because you want to take the crumb off. And that's what I mean by this is weird. So
Why wouldn't you use like a
spray?
sprayer?
You can use a spray, but I find it really annoying. And also,
Great answer. Yeah, that's a good answer.
I didn't hear that though.
you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
like you have to do it like a million times. But actually, like a couple of tablespoons, and then we just lay them like literally. And this is where you do have to take a bit of care to make sure that each one has space to breathe.
yeah, okay.
Because if it doesn't have space to breathe, it won't crisp
put
up.
some in?
Yeah, please,
So-
yeah.
This version
Yeah.
is sort of like a version for the people who are just scared of deep frying rather than health conscious.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's still got the oil in it, you know. Like, but also like it's definitely not healthy. Like it's definitely
because
it's no healthier because we've used the oil.
Yeah.
At home for home cooking, you certainly don't need a whole litre
because
of oil.
Yeah, because you'll waste a lot of it.
Yeah, I mean we've got a whole tub over there from my deep frying. You know what most people don't think about when they're air frying is double frying is still a thing.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
The first fry is to like
Cook it.
The
Dry it. a little
second fry is to crisp it up.
Yeah.
I don't think it's as simple as going, oh, air fry cooking is always quicker and healthier. No.
Yeah.
But can you get the same finish or a similar finish? Well, certainly you can.
Yeah.
But you just need to know how.
Well,
and have
basically, not really though. You can similar. It's not exactly the
Well,
same.
you tell me when you taste you tell me when you taste it.
No, I've been
I've got no potato starch, no MSG, and we cooked in an air fryer. I thought I'd go all out for you, Auntie. Yeah.
All right.
Well, I feel like behind the scenes we're learning a lot about not just you, Chin, more so we're learning more about your mum. Because she's definitely not, she's giving us everything when the cameras are switched off.
Yeah, I didn't know that when they go away, they're not actually working. Why are you having them here then?
Just wild.
I've been waiting for a moment where I'm not the only one that's like bullying my crew. But so it's a real pleasure to have you here, Auntie. But what were you saying? You're asking me about where.
Are you a BBC kid?
I am a BBC kid. I'm a British-born Chinese.
Yes, that's why. It's not BBC, all right? It's not the British broadcast. BBC, what does
No,
it
this is
stand for?
definitely not the BBC.
No, it's a British-born Chinese.
Auntie, on the
okay?
BBC, you would not be able to say whatever you want.
No. They can.
We know that now, and it's okay. We can say that on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, I am a BBC. You're born here.
Yes.
Yeah, but you're Malaysian Chinese Hakka heritage.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we were talking about Hakka. Like Hakka is a Chinese traveling community, but also like they would have come from
The northern part.
The northern part of
Yeah.
China?
Someone can tell me it's wrong then. Okay, I know.
Like
Yeah.
years and years ago. It's not like a recent thing.
This is
Yeah.
like ancient times.
Ancient time.
Yeah, ancient times Hakka.
Before
people,
any of your grandfather is born.
And then you ended up
Yeah.
in where? Which part of England?
England, watch it. Watch
they
it.
end up
You know,
In Watch It.
watch it. Watch it. Don't look down. Don't
So
look down and
exotic.
watch it. Our watch it is really, it's a Viking pot.
You know, the chili beef. I mean, that's the first fry.
Soggy though.
Yeah.
It's soggy right now.
Okay. Do you need to turn it over?
Yeah, we're gonna turn it. So we'll
Yeah.
turn it, and then we're gonna do the second fry once it's had a little bit of cool. Let me get some tongs.
This one turn.
Yeah. Right. She like this in the restaurant?
Yeah. Yeah, it's constant. Honestly, sometimes we have massive arguments.
Do you?
We have an open
Really?
kitchen as well,
Oh
Jeremy.
my gosh, you argue,
Yeah.
you argue in the kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think arguing is sort of part and parcel of being part of a good family, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. So I'm gonna pop this on now on a
Okay.
high heat. Okay.
Okay.
So 230. We'll pop it in when you're ready for the last couple of minutes. So
Okay.
once you start frying your rice,
Okay, so this is how we would essentially do it at a takeaway. You get your rice. Normally, it's long grained. It can be sometimes long grain, high quality long grain. or long grain mixed with Thai fragrant, and then we dry that out. A lot of places will use Thai fragrant and then dry it out overnight, but that can go mushy, which is fine for like the US market. They really like that, but the UK market really likes their rice separated, which is why they blend it with long grain to keep that separation. I can't remember
Rice, baby.
Egg. Yeah, that's nice. I like that one. So I cracked an egg. I put a pinch of salt, pinch of MSG in there. And the takeaway would make sure this is done really, really well. Wouldn't we, Ma?
Yeah, it have to be fluffed up because when the wok is hit,
You like it fluffy, do you?
yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to season the rice. In takeaways, we season it overnight. So we put the liquids in just after it's cooled. So that was light soy, a bit of dark soy, pinch of salt.
You put the dark soy in for a bit of colour?
Yeah, always light soy for flavour.
Yeah.
Bit of MSG, salt, and then we'd mix this up.
How many egg fried rices do you think you've cooked in your life?
Give or take 1 billion. Honestly, just that. Because in a takeaway, the first thing you ever learn when you're on the woks is fried rice, and then you don't move off.
Like seasoning of your rice, again, is that for just speed, or you find it gives it a bit more flavour? Lets rice like sort of soak in the flavour.
So, two reasons. One is if you do that in the wok, you're adding moisture to the starch, which is why you're doing it overnight in the first place to dry it out. If you add it beforehand, it gives a chance for the moisture in the soy sauce to evaporate off with the water in the rice. It's easier to coat the rice completely pre-hand than it is in the wok.
Should we put the second fry in?
Yeah, I might as well.
All right, okay. I'm just watching Auntie's face.
Is it all right if I bend that?
Yeah, you want
Sure. Is that okay?
Wow.
Go for it.
Because we cook with spoons with rice. Flats are for like main dishes. But rice, I'll show you why. If you're using fresh rice, you can use a spatula, which is absolutely fine. But
if you ever need anyone to come and just break all of your
equipment,
home equipment, then Chin's the man.
Call me. Okay, so I'm just going to put a load of veg oil.
Yeah.
When the oil is hot, you're going to drop your egg into the oil and turn at the same time, and that's how you get ribbon.
Yeah, that egg is like, it wants to jump out the wok, doesn't it? Like that is really bubbling up nicely.
Really hot oil for that. And then we're going to brown this off. And this is part of the key to getting that wok hay when you don't have gas, is making sure the egg is done.
And I think it's okay to like actually take your time with that.
100%.
I know it's wok cooking, but it doesn't have to be rushed because it's so quick anyway.
No.
Yeah.
And the thing is, if you can take your time, it's all chemistry. It's not all about wait. It's going to get there in the end. Just be patient and you're going to get there.
Well, that's just it. Yeah, that is just it. And you know, we've got we're starting to brown, I can see that now.
But this is when I would go.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Is that okay for you?
I'm okay. You're the chef, mate.
So
you know how I say that there's me, there's people like me, and then there's like proper chefs.
Yeah.
Is the size of your forearms?
Yeah.
You've got proper chef forearms.
No, they're quite tiny.
No, but look at mine. Auntie, she got muscle. Yeah, all right.
Yeah. So right now, this is why I need the spoon and not spatula. You're knocking down that rice, getting it close to the base. And what that does, it helps soften the starch molecules up. Also, takes out any lumps. And when you go to takeaway, you'll hear this. That's the poor guy making fried rice 24/7. I'm not even joking. Always taste. If you're not tasting, you're not trying. Bit of salt, bit more MSG. Nearly swore then. Like a good fried rice, especially a takeaway fried rice, should be fairly salty. Because, you know, at the end of the day, it's designed to be fast food. It's not, no one's under any illusions that it's incredibly good for you. It's a once in a while treat.
Look, Auntie, my crispy chili beef.
Oh yeah, I can smell it
It's
now.
looking pretty crisp. You know.
Wow.
That's not bad, is it, for an air fry?
Yes.
And on cornstarch.
It's burning.
Oh yeah, I'm burning the worktop. That's how hot it is.
Okay, so I'm letting my rice sit. That's really important. especially when you don't have that power at home.
Yeah.
Just letting it sit to give it that char. This might take ages if you've got like a really low powered electric cooker. Gas, much easier to do faster. Induction, just as quick as gas, but it's just
It's a different heat. It's not as rounded.
Yeah.
It's more direct, but you have to move it around differently.
Yeah.
I'm glad that I've got a chin and chew bent ladle. All right, come on then. You guys can sign my. You can sign my ladle. You can sign. I'm fangirling now. You can sign my ladle, and then Mum. Or we go and you can chin and chew. Yep. And then we'll finish off your chili beef with the egg fried rice. Let's see how they go together. Right, Auntie, you're going to finish off the chili beef because you started it, so you should finish it. Okay. It's a bit of a mix of like the traditional sweet and sour. So with the chinkiang black vinegar, some ketchup, some honey, and a little bit of dark soy.
It's already mixed.
It's already mixed in there. The honey's in there. Look, I've really enjoyed, I've enjoyed learning about your sort of your family journey. I think that's an interesting. Well, it's an interesting sort of way to understand how Chinese food has travelled across the world.
Migrating into other places.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because there's a lot of us.
Yeah.
a billion.
So many.
There's a lot of us here, but I don't think people really.
Browning?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, sauce in. Let's get the good stuff. You know, your heritage isn't just Chinese. It's
exactly.
You know, there's like the Malaysian communities and Singapore and all the Southeast Asian communities have that huge Chinese influence, as do we here halfway across the world.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, that's you raise an interesting point because a lot of people go, oh, that's not real Chinese food because it's, English-fied.
Right.
Is that a word?
English-fied. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Westernized.
Yeah.
But the Malaysians did it to Chinese food. The Japanese did it to Chinese food. It's a normal thing to do.
Yeah.
Is that thick enough for
I don't know. You tell me. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Give it a quick flick through, and then the crispy chili beef. You can. We'll taste together, and we'll see if we're happy with the crunchiness. Coriander. Happy with a bit of coriander?
Yeah.
Straight in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chinese takeaway.
Takeaway style, yeah, go.
On the side, that's controversial.
Oh, okay. Look at that. Nice.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Go for it.
All right, now you first. We want to see your reaction. I want to.
It's crunchy.
Yeah. Anything else?
It's good.
Is it?
Are you sure? You're not just saying that to be polite?
No.
Maybe I could have cooked it for a little less time. But from a home cooked, no deep fry perspective,
The batter,
Well, too.
the concept is really good. That could work really well. And considering you just whacked it in on whatever temperature you wanted.
yeah, and I wasn't really thinking about it to be honest.
Exactly.
But it does work, doesn't it?
The crunch there was that bite. God, I love chili.
Well, hey guys, I really enjoyed that.
It's a sweet.
I hope you guys have enjoyed it too. I've enjoyed getting to know you better. Thank you so much for agreeing to collaborate with us on the channel. As we said at the beginning, this has been years in the making. I hope you guys have enjoyed every moment of it like we have. You guys have got your own recipe to cook up for your own School of Wok Takeover next week, which I'm really looking forward to watching. Absolute pleasure for you guys to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us. It's been
Thank you
awesome.
for having
Don't
us.
forget to subscribe. If you do manage to get onto a Tin Taylor class at School of Wok, you've got to be quick. Remember, Glastonbury fingers. That was
I was literally about to say, that was the weirdest thing I've ever been involved in. That was wild. Anyway, you want to try this though? It's actually really good.